You just signed up to the StudyBuddy Pro app and you're trying to figure out how do I use the program, right? How do I get to my first lessons? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you get started with your first lessons and some other features that'll help you along the way. Remember, when you're in demo mode, you don't got full access, but you do got enough to get you started to see exactly if this is the right program for you. So what I would do is hit go to today's lesson right there. And what it will do is pull you right down to where all of your license path books are. So as you can see in this license path, you got 4 books. You turn there, you got your other books. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the first one that I have. And when you scroll down, sometimes you're gonna see videos, you're gonna see the download resources to highlight your books. And then you can start the lesson right here. Okay, so I'm gonna start this lesson. And once I get inside of this lesson, what you want to notice is that there are a bunch of other features that you can use. One of the things I will tell you, if you need help, you should come over here to get hints, right? And it will leave a hint for you. If you do not know what something is, like a keyword, remember you need to use the Ask Coach Kev feature. So in this question, when I'm looking at FOB Fright Prepaid, I'm going to say, what is a FOB Fright Prepaid? Right? I don't want it to give me an answer, but maybe I just don't know what FOB is. So it's going to bring a definition, and then it's actually going to bring up some videos, right? To even help you understand it even more, at least 5 videos. So this program is meant for you to be in one place, not have to have your phone and Google and do all these different things. You literally can learn everything from right here. So again, use the Ask Coach Kev feature. Then, if you're familiar with the 5-step method that we teach, which is the frame it method, you can even use the frame it method inside of here. Because remember, the one question you need to learn how to answer in order to be successful in this exam is you need to learn how to answer, what is this question asking me? All right, and then why? And that will allow you to start pulling out the keywords, because in this question, FOB Fright Prepaid requires the blank to pay for shipping. What are we talking about? Right? Are we talking about FOB Fright? Are we talking about a shipping cost? What is it? Right? So this is where you get a chance to pull out your main keywords and then your supporting, right? And all that goes into your virtual notebook. We'll do a separate video on how to do the 5-step method inside of the app. But right now, you're inside and you want to just get going on your lessons. They're all right here. Okay. But again, search query, you want to be able to look up what you don't understand. And so now when I'm working in this question, say for instance, our questions may be wrong or maybe you don't understand them, you do have the option to leave comments and questions so it can be discussed with other students, or you're flagging the issue, or you just clearly just wanting to reach out to me pertaining to that question. Just write it here, go ahead and post it, it'll come to us, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Then from there, when you're answering these questions, right? So this question read, FOB Fright Prepaid requires the blank to pay for the shipping. Is it the contractor, buyer, seller, or subcontractor? Just remember, when you're reading these questions, read the answers as well before you go looking for it. So in this one, I'm just going to say it's the seller, and I'm going to push the answer. Oh, it was great. We got that one right. But it will most times give you a reference. But what happens if you get a question wrong? I'm just going to skip to the next one. And I'm going to say, just guessing, that's the answer and it's wrong. You can go into the Ask My Tutor, right? And it's going to help you break it down even more. Okay. And sorry for the scrolling feature. We'll have that fixed before you get on there. But now you can go in and you can work with the tutor. What are the 1-word keywords? Tell me what you search for. And it'll help you break it down by all you got to do is click the words and it says 1 word. I'm going to say supervisor. Submit it and boom, we're good. Okay. So that's the Ask My Tutor feature, okay, that you do have even in demo mode. And as I said, it will keep breaking it down. What does your index ask you to do? It again tell you if you did the right keyword and everything. So it's pretty interactive. So from there, the goal is to try to get done with the lesson within that period of time. As you can see, there's a minute and 42 minutes left. What actually happened at the beginning that we may have missed is when we come back to our dashboard, the lesson is actually saved right there. But pay attention to this. There's pressure mode and there's regular mode. Okay. You want to be able to set it on regular mode because that allows you to take the minutes, 2 minutes to 3 minutes, and actually go overall. That's your goal. Get done with a lesson. If you got 30 questions, 3 minutes, you want to get it done in an hour and a half. Right? But if you don't, it's not going to cut off on you, but we're just keeping track of time to see if you can get efficient and better with your timing. Okay. But that's simply how it goes. You get in there, you get started. Like I said, you only get one lesson per book right now. Okay. And that's just saying, you're in demo mode. When you're ready to upgrade, come over here to upgrade. Here's all of our offers right here. We got a core plan where you get one book. We got the pro plan where you get all of the features plus live classes. Then we got NASCLA when you got 24 books. And then we got a coaching plan. So if you're looking to get started, I tell you jump in right now. I appreciate you joining the StudyBuddy Pro app, and I want to see you do what you do best and nail it.